Bona fide is a Latin term that means good faith and is most frequently seen in the context of a bona fide purchaser. The term has its origin in the Roman Empire, where it was used to describe a person who acted with honesty, trustworthiness, and integrity. Over time, the term's meaning evolved to include actions that were taken without any deceit or fraud. The concept of bona fide plays a crucial role in the legal system, as it provides a basis for upholding the integrity and fairness of contracts and legal agreements.